Dera na na, dera na na.
I think my song, every time I do a romantic song, it breaks everyone's heart because they feel कि आप ऐसे गाने बनाते हो जो ऐसा प्यार हमें मिलता नहीं है, तो आप क्यों बनाते हो?
लाख चाहने वाले लाखों में हो तुम जो एक ही.
I've had 3 relationships in my life. Right now, तो I'm single. सबको बता दूँ. I'm on the shelf, available. My first breakup happened. I made रोके ना नैना. So ऐसी चीज़ें I think musicians के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. कभी-कभी तो ऐसा होता था I used to purposely have a fight with my girlfriend कि चलो आज सैड गाना बनाना है, थोड़ा लड़ लेते हैं 2-3 दिन.
लड़ेंगे तुमको मनाएंगे हम, तुम्हें अपने दिल की धड़कन बनाएंगे हम. मोहब्बत तो करके देखो निभाएंगे हम.
अपने को अपने जैसा ही प्यार चाहिए. नहीं मिले तो शाहरुख खान नहीं तो सलमान खान तो बन ही जाएंगे. सिंगल रह के भी खुश रहेंगे.
ना 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 ओ रा 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 ला 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 ला.
Hi everyone, this is me, Hesha Chima, and today I'm very excited to be sitting here with Amal Malik. Excitement क्यों है मैंने आपको बताया, मैं इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे बताऊंगी. So that's what I'm going to tell you right now.
प्लीज बताइए.
Specifying Hesha Chima for a reason because my dad and your dad have been childhood friends. This is something that I also found out after interviewing Arman.
ओह
Yeah.
बट इतने साल के बाद आप हमें बता रहे हैं.
Can you
पहले
believe?
बता
मुझे भी
देना
नहीं पता
चाहिए.
था. हाँ मुझे भी नहीं पता था.
They're friends from school.
So they used to go and watch movies together. They have chilled together at my old house with my grandfather. So much so even Anu Malik and Abu Malik and my dad, whose name is also Anil, have chilled together बचपन से, like
Wow.
काफी टाइम से friends है. और but that doesn't mean हम interview ये इस वजह से कर रहे हैं. We're not following any nepotism over here. We are just meeting because on your birthday we are going to be seeing your song Mohabbat.
Yes.
16 June. Are you excited?
I think this is my most ambitious project. And यानी film music मैंने almost 95 to about 100 songs किए. Then I started doing independent music in 2020. Lockdown होते I think मुझे best time मिला to get away from my film commitments and start doing this journey of mine. So out of all the 5-6 music videos which have featured me, मुझे लगता है कि ये सबसे will be like the most loved and the most remembered work of mine. And I have to give a lot of credit to the director, who's my friend, Krish Trivedi, and we know each other since 3rd grade.
Oh wow.
And मुझे नहीं लगता था कि कोई भी मुझे इस तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर पाएगा. And he's done a fabulous job. So big love to you, bro.
So it's like a tribute to SRK.
Yeah.
But are you that much of a romantic? कि because अभी मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप काफी practical types हो.
उम्र के साथ साथ ऐसी चीजें हो जाती है. But I never let romance go out of my life. I think it's in me. I'm born with it, and it's in my music. So, and I'm a very big Shah Rukh Khan fan. So वो एक it's not just the Shah Rukh Khan factor in the song. It is more to do with Shah Rukh Khan and Yash Chopra romance. The way the sarees flying and the jackets and the hands
Oh, yeah,
opening and
yeah.
all of that. तो obviously मेरे favorite actor है and हम सभी Shah Rukh Khan is like an emotion. We all love him. So I hope once he sees the video, he'll also be like, हाँ इसने SR के light तो बन पाया बेचारा.
Oh, nice one. But since we're talking our generation and love and
Yeah.
all of that, I'm also a 90s kid, okay? So for me, romance is what you just spoke of.
Completely.
But अभी सब बकवास है यार. Like
बिल्कुल.
it's a
ये
bad
अच्छा, ये
thing
अच्छा
right
हुक
now.
लाइन है. आजकल प्यार सब बकवास है. New song.
New song. आजकल प्यार सब बकवास. Oh, that's also because there's so many of these terms, yeah, like situationships and complicated तो चलो पहले भी था, but what the hell is a situationship यार? मतलब, tell me, is your song going to break all of this and
I think my song, every time I do a romantic song, it breaks everyone's heart because they feel कि आप ऐसे गाने बनाते हो जो ऐसा प्यार हमें मिलता नहीं है, तो आप क्यों बनाते हो? I was like इसलिए बनाते हो क्योंकि सबके लाइफ में I think music and obviously melodious heartfelt music fills that void, you know. हम लोग सब ढूंढते हैं कि कोई हमको ऐसा प्यार कर जाए लाइफ में. शाहरुख खान की भी पिक्चर देख के हम लोग सब इतने
बह
साल
ही
से
जाते
बिगड़
हैं.
ही गए कि यानी ऐसा नहीं होगा तो प्यार नहीं चाहिए. तो मेरे म्यूजिक में भी वैसा है. लाइक पीपल हियर सॉन्ग्स लाइक मे बी कौन तुझे एंड मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, रोके ना रुके नैना, मोस्ट ऑफ माय लव सॉन्ग्स, एंड दे like where is this coming from, like how do you have it, and like do you have such a love story, is it like
Exactly.
that? So I was like, I have been like, you know, I've had 3 relationships in my life. Right now that I'm single, sabko bata do, I'm on the shelf available, but
एक सेकंड, ऑन द शेल्फ अवेलेबल क्या होता है?
जैसे आपका सिचुएशन शेप हुआ वैसा ऑन द शेल्फ अवेलेबल बना कॉइन कर दिया मैंने.
ओके, डन.
बट obviously everything for a musician, मुझे लगता है कि जहाँ जहाँ like you know, even in friendships, even in relationships, everything that I felt, I've made music out of that feeling. So my first breakup happened, I made रोके ना रुके नैना. So ऐसी चीज़ें I think musicians के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. And कभी कभी तो ऐसा होता था that, you know, I used to purposely, you know, have a fight with my girlfriend कि चलो आज सैड गाना बनाना, थोड़ा लड़ लेते हैं 2-3 दिन.
मजा आएगा.
So I was younger, I used to do these things. But I think today, like, you know, I've got 2-3 young kids who assist me now. They are about 18 and 19. Maximum उनकी age 21 या 22 साल की है. So they tell me, you know, that, you know, our generation is really screwed up. I said, क्यों क्या? As you said, he's like, bro, people come with so many tags, so many prerequisites कि ऐसा होगा, exclusive भी है कुछ नया.
Correct.
You know, कि you will be seen everywhere with me.
Yeah.
But we are not something.
Yes.
तो मैंने बोला अभी इतना ये टिंडर जनरेशन का है, मैं नहीं हूँ इधर, मैं DDLJ जनरेशन हूँ. अपने को अपने जैसा ही प्यार चाहिए. नहीं मिले तो शाहरुख खान नहीं तो सलमान खान तो बन ही जाएंगे, सिंगल रह के भी खुश रहेंगे.
I think I agree with you, yeah, because this is the reality right now. I feel I've come from the same school of thought also. क्योंकि अभी मेरे से ज़्यादा प्यार से ज़्यादा मेरे लिए चाय एक इमोशन बन गई है. Because I feel that is more loyal and committed to me than anything else. This is something very personal I want to ask you.
Yeah.
Okay, I also have a sibling. और ये बहुत नेचुरल होता है हमारे खानदान में. मतलब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर पंजाबीज, सो मेरे फैमिली में तो ये बहुत नॉर्मल है. 2 बहनें हैं फर्स्ट, ओके, कुछ भी करो साथ में कंपैरिजन हो जाता है. वो तो शुक्र है भगवान का दैट वी आर नॉट इन द सेम फील्ड. यू एंड अरमान आर इन द सेम फील्ड.
Completely.
डू योर पेरेंट्स आल्सो कंपेयर कि ये है, क्योंकि बाहर तो करते ही हैं, ये तो इज वेरी नॉर्मल.
I think they have seen, दोनों बचपन से ही चौक एंड चीज है. यानी वो जानते हैं कि यानी सबसे easiest way to explain कि अरमान would possibly be like the elder brother. कि मम्मी पापा को पता है कि बड़ा वाला बेटा ये है, बट इसकी हरकतें, इसकी मस्ती सब younger brother जैसी है. So they have accepted both our personalities. Music and obviously career तो यानी एक यानी everyone should know this कि एक म्यूजिक कंपोजर और एक सिंगर की जर्नी बिल्कुल ही अलग होती है. यू नो, लाइक आई हैव स्पेंट, इट्स लाइक कि अरमान फ्रंट एंड ऑफिस है और मैं बैक एंड ऑफिस हूँ. कि अगर मैं वो गाने नहीं बनाता तो वो परफॉर्म और वो शोज नहीं कर पाता. तो वी बोथ वर्क एज अ टीम इन स्पाइट ऑफ नॉट बीइंग अ टीम, यू नो. सो मेरा म्यूजिक बहुत ज़रूरी था फॉर हिम टू सिंग so that it reaches the world. And then when he went and performed those songs, because of that also my music is, you know, I would say, I would thank him and even Arijit, both have sung most of my love songs to immortalize that good music. Obviously हम लोग सबने मेहनत की and good music किया है, but it's the singer from my family who I take pride of कि, you know, कि मेरा भाई is someone who's the first artist in the country to be on Times Square.
Yeah.
Aajkal many people are, but he was the first.
Yeah.
And the youngest. He's the only person who's collaborated with Ed Sheeran. So many things that, you know, this family has dreamt of, and we've been a legacy from Sardar Malik ji to Anu Malik to my father. There were so many things that, you know, were my father's dreams. As, you know, like you see all these pura racks of awards and everything. These were small things maybe in our minds and hearts, but for them it meant a lot. So seeing both the brothers successful together is something that my parents are very happy. Obviously हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ you know will be different, because as a singer की जो success होती है is similar to maybe you can say an actor's success. कि like if a film does well, they always say कि इस हीरो की फिल्म ने बहुत अच्छा किया. You never hear कि इस डायरेक्टर की पिक्चर. तो जब गाना भी चलता है तो सिंगर को ही उस लेवल का क्रेडिट मिलता है. But हम लोग दोनों यानी अरमान once told me that since you started coming in music videos and I judged reality shows, तो अब लोग उससे भी एयरपोर्ट पे रोक के बोलते हैं अमल मलिक।
हाँ
तो बोलता है अभी मेरे साथ ये होने लगा है। तो हम लोग दोनों का जिस दिन मैं दाढ़ी हटा देता हूँ लोग सोचते हैं मैं अरमान का भी छोटा भाई हूँ। सो आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट द पेरेंट्स आर रियली हैप्पी दैट बोथ आर डूइंग वेल। और हम लोग में तो ऐसी मस्ती चलती रहती है, लाइक इफ आई रिलीज अ सॉन्ग एंड इट गेट्स बेटर स्ट्रीम्स और नंबर्स, देन आई लाइक देख मेरा ज्यादा चल रहा है आज।
exactly because that's what we siblings
But
do,
it's
right?
positive. It's
Yeah.
not, we have no rivalry at all.
Yeah, it's a healthy
Completely.
sibling love that's always
Completely.
there and banter too. अच्छा मुझे बोलिए एक्टर्स को तो मैं हमेशा पूछती रहती हूँ when they come in the similar family कि अच्छा
Yes.
इससे बैठ के बात करते हो उससे बैठ के बात करते हो. Do you and like you Arman or Anu Malik ji together sit and discuss work or you all are just like नहीं नहीं भाई सब अपना अपना देखो.
No, no, no. I don't think we've ever discussed work. I remember Anu uncle had called me only during Suraj Dubai, but it was such a funny call. क्योंकि he called me and said, like I'll imitate him also. बेटा बहुत अच्छा गाना था, सुपर हिट है, ये वो सब. And then he would be like, पर मैं इससे भी बेटर गाना लेके आ रहा हूँ. And he did, but actually I would say that he still, the year I did Suraj Dubai, he still did a beautiful song like Moh Moh ke Dhage.
Yeah.
So I think very few people from his generation and era have managed to like have the fire and passion to compete with youngsters like us. So वो एक चीज सीखने की बात है that someone's done good work in your own family, you pick up the phone, call them and challenge them to that I'm doing better.
वो ही कर सकते हैं I feel
एक वही इंसान है.
Even when I spoke to Kumar Sanu ji recently, because he also has a very good rapport
Yeah.
with him, and he also said the same thing. कि, "अरे, what I share with Anu Malik, now that vibe is him only, tak
Yeah.
tak tak tak, no joke." So I was like, that's there. But coming to this and coming to you, when you started off, okay, did you ever, at any point in your life, felt that A, it's getting tough. Okay. B, this is way too much than I ever imagined that it's going to take out of me. These two things.
Completely, such a good question. Thank you for that. I think जितने भी लोग कोशिश करते हैं to get into music and especially in this industry, आपको एक चीज जाननी पड़ेगी that it's like एक saying आग का दरिया है और तैर के नहीं यानी चीर के तैर के जाना है. It's difficult. You need nerves of steel. It takes away your health. Like I began in 2014, but about 2019 तक I was quite sick and deteriorated. Like my health was really bad. I was almost admitted to the hospital 3-4 times. Just exertion and exhaustion इतना है, and deliveries and back-to-back songs. But when you look back, थोड़ा बहुत take care कर लो तो it can all be good. So that's very important कि मैं because I've at a young age when I started assisting people, since 16 to 23 only, when I was just doing my assisting work, that time also was like running with hard disks and delivering CDs and doing small jobs for like a few $100, $200, maximum $500. But when we were doing musical work, वहाँ से एक खुशी भी थी कि I'm doing a background score with some big composers. So happiness also working, when I see a lot of people doing 9 to 5, they also feel the same pressure that I have felt. It's not different. The only thing is that we are doing our heart's work and putting, music out. So music में कहीं ना कहीं सुकून है, and you feel good after completing a song. So that's what saved me, because all these years when I was not sleeping right, not resting, health was getting canned, the music was turning out to be so good कि मेरे को उस बीमारी में भी लगता था अच्छा ठीक है यार मेरा गाना पसंद कर रहे लोग खुश है. That is what always has driven me. But now since like about I think everyone after the lockdown started realizing that life is fragile and we should like focus on that. तो मैं धीरे धीरे अपने space में करते रहता हूँ. And what it has given to me, obviously also what it takes is तो part of the industry. I think हर एक actor से लेके singer से सबके लिए एक level का sacrifice है.
Yeah.
But it's given me also tenfold. I think all those years of struggle from the age of 16 to 30 have like proven to be beautiful. कि यानी I'm the youngest, most successful, most loved music composer. और वो बहुत ही tough journey होती है. I think music composers में किसी like to make a face value to be loved is, I would say, just touchwood that I have such love.
Yeah, that is touchwood material. So this is what, your 111th song?
Yes, 111.
Lucky number also. Angel number 111.
Angels, where are you? Where are the angels?
Everybody's here only. Don't worry. I'm sitting in white also, so please consider me as one. I'm kidding.
Where's the halo or the devil?
No, mine is a very. I'm a chill, good angel. I'm not. I'm a little naughty, but that's fine. We'll pick your chai up now and take you to that wall that I can see, which is
Oh,
pretty
that
much
dreaded wall.
that dreaded wall, which is pretty much demonstrating all the hard work that you've spoken about. I feel that we can put that
Okay.
courage to
If
it
you
in
put
that
it like
sense.
that.
Yeah. क्योंकि obviously if you're telling me कि sleepless nights होती है, you work with your
बिल्कुल.
team, health has been affected as you said.
Yes.
I think that little bit of reward can be considered. So
Yeah.
come, let's go. Let me take you there. We are here. Your wall of what? Success, hard work. Can I call it that?
Yeah, maybe you
Hard
can.
work, no? But this is like amazing. मेरे को बताओ, this is for us. Like if I talk about myself, I'm somebody who loves appreciation, and अगर कोई मुझे बोले ना
How
external
sweet.
validation दे तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आ जाए. Please दे दो. Do you like it? Like these awards is a form of validation, right?
I think the first award, that I won, which mattered to me and my family, was this. Was because for me, for my dad, यानी आप, he's done about 60-70 films. But for him, there was no invitation or anything ever to a film fair or any award function in his time. So for us as young kids, it was always कि जब कुछ होगा and maybe one day we will never even thought about कि जीतेंगे या कुछ भी, कि invitation आएगा, उस पे नाम लिखा होगा, उतना ही. तो that day my dad मुझसे ज़्यादा I was excited कि हाँ obviously जीत गए. But he went home और उन्होंने ये award लेके, Arman also had won in the same year as R.D. Burman Rising Talent. He took both the awards and he slept with it. तो उनके लिए इसका मायने बहुत है. Obviously for me it's a mark of respect. But I don't take it too seriously, कि मुझे लगता है कि आप awards लेके, यानी जितने awards मिलते हैं, I think people and artists start maybe losing the plot also, you feel कि I've arrived and ये हो गया है, वो हो गया है. But it's always the next song for me. But that one will remain special because everyone was there. I remember my mom, मासी, dad, मैं, हम लोग literally ऐसे इतने हाथ क्रॉस करके खड़े बैठे थे ऑडियंस में. And it happened. So Suraj Dubai was that song, and there was this also. And in a very difficult year, and I was a baby जब वो गाना किया मैंने. And there were like songs by Pritam Da, there was Vishal Shekhar, there's Sanjay Leela Bhansali's music. There were some great albums, Badlapur. Very difficult year to, stand out. Dilwale,
Oh damn.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan, everything was in that period. But in spite of all that, I think Suraj Dubai became like, it's still one of those
Yeah.
songs that plays in so many places.
Yeah.
तो वो हमेशा special रहेगा. That started out many things, and then the rest have followed.
Lastly, before we wrap up, I
Yes.
want to watch you in your studio space
Yeah.
because that is where I believe all the magic happens.
Yes.
मोहब्बत भी वहीं हुआ होगा.
बिल्कुल.
तो फटाफट एक बार ही अंदर चले.
चलो.
So as everybody else also watch where the मोहब्बत magic was created.
Let's go.
चलो. So this is where all the magic happens.
This is exactly the place where the music production happens. और हम लोग इस पूरे घर में म्यूजिक पता है कैसे करते हैं. पहले हम टेरेस पे जाते हैं,
अच्छा.
दोस्त बैठते हैं, कोई गिटार बजा रहा है, गाना बन रहा है. फिर जो बाहर एक पियानो है, वहाँ मैं फिगर आउट करता हूँ क्या ट्यून बन रही है, क्या कॉर्ड. And then I come here to finalize it.
Oh my God! Come on, let's
And now I'm
do a
going to
little bit
sing a sneak peek of the acoustic
Mohabbat.
reprise version of Mohabbat.
Let's do it.
Dera na na, dera na na, dera na 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 na, dera na na dera. यूं तो है तुम्हारे लाख चाहने वाले, लाखों में हो तुम जो एक ही. फिर भी सोचता हूँ मैं तुम्हें बता दूँ बात ये जो तुमसे ना कही. कुछ इस तरह से तुमको चाहेंगे हम लड़ेंगे तुमको मनाएंगे हम, तुम्हें अपने दिल की धड़कन बनाएंगे हम, मोहब्बत तो करके देखो निभाएंगे हम। हे ना 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 ओ रा 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 la 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 la.
Yay! Super happy because I'm the first one I feel who has heard this song today, right?
Yes, yes, the first interview of the day, and she's the first one to hear the song.
Yay! I'm feeling super lucky क्योंकि मैं सुबह सुबह उठ के आई हूँ यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू करने 12 बजे
12 बजे को सुबह सुबह बोल रहे हैं, क्या
है
बात
ना?
है?
Exactly, क्या बात है? But Amar, all the very best for this. All my love, heart, success, good vibes.
Thank you so
Sending
much.
you for Mohammed. I feel 16 June on your birthday you're releasing this song. It's like you've gifted this song to your own self only, ना?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरे फैंस के लिए रिटर्न गिफ्ट है, क्योंकि दिस इज द मंथ वेयर यू नो दे सेलिब्रेट 1 जून से लेके एंड ऑफ जून तक एवरी डे, यानी मेरे हर गाने 3-3 4-4 गानों का हैशटैग लेके ट्रेंड करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ अपने पर्सनल कहानी बताते हैं कि यू नो व्हाट द सॉन्ग मेड देम फील। सो मुझे लगा, एंड ऑल्सो यू नो म्यूजिकली मैंने डिसाइड भी किया कि यू नो हर साल February 14th, जो आई बिलीव इज ऑल्सो माई म्यूजिक्स डे इन अ वे, क्योंकि वैलेंटाइंस डे इज द डे कि मेरे गाने बहुत लोग उस दिन सुनते हैं। सो व्हाई नॉट यू नो मेक इट अ ऑनगोइंग थिंग कि हर February 14th को मैं एक टीजर डालूंगा और हर June 16th को वो गाना रिलीज करूंगा। सो यू हैव 6 months ऑफ वेटिंग एंड एक्साइटमेंट, एंड आई विल कीप ऑन, यू नो मैंने February से ये गाना
on your
आई पुट अ
Instagram.
reel randomly on just the piano ऐसे ही जैसे आपको सुना, and that really flew and people loved it, and this one is really special because my 111th song of my career, and I think मैं हर साल ऐसा करूँगा, जैसे एक्टर्स ईद, दिवाली, क्रिसमस चुनते हैं, मैंने वैलेंटाइंस डे चुन लिया है।
परफेक्ट दिन चुना है। और आयरनी देखो, अमार बॉर्डरलाइन शेल्फ पे सिंगल है अभी।
हाँ, अब क्या करें, अभी मेरा सबसे ट्रैक्ड गाना जो ज्यादा चलता है वैलेंटाइंस डे पे वो चले आना है, सबसे दुखी गाना मेरा। तो मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ, यानी पूरा हिंदुस्तान साइड चल रहा है
और वो भी वैलेंटाइंस पे सोच आई अग्री। हम वैसे वी आर ऑल सिंगल, वी आर ऑल सिटिंग इन द सेम बोट, बट talking about the song, talking about you know the fact that you're so humble, मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा कि I'm meeting you for the first time. It's actually
thank
like this,
you,
like
so
you've been
sweet.
so chilled, and हमने आज हमारे को बहुत चलाया है वैसे। यहाँ से उठाया, फिर यहाँ लेके आए, फिर यहाँ से उठाया, फिर अवार्ड्स के वहाँ लेके आए। But totally looking forward to this song.
Thank you so much.
And if there is that one last message you'd like to give to your fans, because they're damn loyal, as you rightly said, they do trend you for an
Completely.
entire month, and we see it on your
Yeah,
birthday
it's
month.
it's unbelievable. मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि you know that love and you know the time you take out अपने खुद के schedule से, और यानी पहले तो सब बच्चे they are all like 12, 13 and all, and now they've grown up, they're 17, 18 years old. मुझे किसी ने एक मैसेज भी किया कि ना आपका म्यूजिक पहले we heard when we were 10 years old and today we are 18 or 19. So for me to feel कि मेरे साथ बड़े हुए बच्चे मेरे म्यूजिक से बड़े हो रहे हैं, दे लिसनिंग एंड ग्रोइंग अप ऑन माई म्यूजिक। जैसे मेरे लिए इतने कंपोजर्स और सिंगर्स थे जब मैं यू नो आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप लिसनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ देम, तो वो एक फीलिंग अलग ही है, एंड आई होप ये मोहब्बत बरकरार रहे।
Yeah, super. All the way
Thank you.
best, and see you
Thank you so
soon.
much. Thank you.